the mound for the Astros, 31-year-old right-hander, all 6'7" of him. Scott Feldman, 4-8 on the year, 4.60 the ERA.
That's strike 3 looking on Lowry. This is in the air to left field. Mark Krause comes in toward the infield to make it a scoreless first with 1 hit and a man left. They've had 14 straight winning months. Popped up. Castro over into foul territory. Jed Lowry with a fly ball to center field, and that'll do it. And it's hit to straightaway center. Kike back. Kike with the running catch. In the air, and the left fielder Mark Krause comes in for it. Still coming for the catch. And that's an exaggeration. Fly ball out to left field. Krause heading back. Krause with the catch.
Didn't we have them
this year? This year, yeah. Dominguez to his left. And that's a quick 7th inning for Feldman. Really paying off tonight and leading it 3-1 at 7th inning stretch time.